Yeah. Rocky, why you don't stop calling the phone? Why? That was in the past when we were kids. No, but everything changed now. My life already changed now. Me already married. So me don't want if you start me like this. Me change my number and you still call me. You still get number for other number and call me. Why? No. Me move on now and marry now. So it's over between me. Just move on with your life. Just move on with your life. Move on with your life, that's over. No, you have to find someone else. It's over. No. Just don't call back my phone. No. Just stop calling my phone.
The phone buddy. Betty, how your mom gonna get so big, Betty? Betty, how come your bamboo gonna get so big, Betty? Something not going on.
I know if you know your property.
I'm see all like back shot, then when you get a night time, the fun time. I see your face. What go on?
Maybe it's just a big though.
What do you mean? More flesh for your whole hand pan where I talk about Betty. You know you go already, Betty. Did you get the veil?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got church? Sure?
Yeah.
Like when I just something nice and we got church, you know? Nice, sweet girl.
Oh, I forget the father did come on in the bathroom.
For real? You must remember that you have some good news to give me, you know?
How did you call him, okay?
That's very good. Tick, girl. Wow. Oh God, I go and say, that's something I go on, one night. Something I go on. You.
What me do?
You're not be yourself. See myself. See the old boy I say.
Come on, get the picture.
Pops! You see, the same thing I tell you. The same marketing strategies that I give you. You see, them will pay off right now. You see, me tell you, say exercise them and see them, look at that. Pops, you know, set of work. You didn't know say some good news you have to tell me. I didn't know. You think I joke? Anytime wife say, daddy I call me look on the phone and I say, you know, so I have to give him a call. I know say something good. Yeah, man. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Yes, daddy. Hey, like father, like son, and you know what that guy already, and I have to reach out to par with my daddy. Yeah, man. No joke, man. No joke. Dad, remember that, you know, you had a virgin, you know, and you got a virgin. You want a virgin too? Yes, I had to find one, I had to seek one, and I found it. I surely did. Hey. I tell you like father, like what? Son. You know easy. Daddy, you said that, you know easy. I'm just happy how your business are popping, man. Yeah, man. Keep exercising the strategies. Keep on. Yeah, man, daddy, man. Yeah, man. Keep on, man. I'm there to put in the work to see you, man. Correct. As always. You know my style, you know my style. Alright, Papa. See, I give you a show, okay? Alright. We talk. Alright. Hey, my father, the easier time, you know, man. Hardworking man, smart too. Wow. Really good news.
Honey, look like getting new neighbors. I'm not breaking that. God. Look at him, God. I can't even see. Hello. Brookie, wait a minute. So where you coming from? Where you coming from? Wait. So why you come then? Why? What make you come here? So why you chill me? Look how far me come and you still a chill me. Why? Why you come with part me there? Why? So wait up. Yes, honey.
How will I talk to?
No one.
Oh, my beloved princess. Wow. And why you running attack?
No one.
So attack yourself, babes.
Yeah.
Come on now, don't tell me that you're going crazy on me. Don't tell me that you're going crazy. Hey babe, I'm going on my evening routine. Do some jogging.
So you can't just stay with me for one day after you get billed?
Babe, more put on the muscle, more fit up. You know, more firm for you.
Yes, but okay.
We just have to do a little bit of exercise. I'm not still.
Okay, can we travel from the back road still because...
Oh, baby. Or run from back road?
Mm-hmm. Come on, baby.
So you can come with me?
No, I'm going home. Cooking nice food till you come.
You must have loved my belly already, so... Anyways, you know my style already. I don't really want you to get too slim and everything. I love my woman thick and nice and firm like spice and you know my style and baby. Yeah. But guess what? I'll do a jogging and come back. So come. Yeah man. You sure see now come? Yeah, come on. Yeah, come with you. You're not come now. You just a weird joke here, but why now?
God, I could have done this. What I could have done this. But I know nice and God, I just... God, help me. Can't take me. Alright.
things.
Okay, you know around these parts?
Just moving, man. Just moving our community. Community is nice, you know?
Yeah, I see. Yes, it's a really, really nice, quiet community, you know. No noise and no like violence and those stuff, you know. It's really a peaceful place to be. Yeah.
Yes, man, I just moving, see the things going outside with some things that may come moving, no? I like community, man. I like community a lot, you know. I don't live in it, but I think I'm going to enjoy it, you know?
Yes, it's a really nice place. As I told you, it's really quiet.
You don't have any football field in the community where you can, I like to play football. So like you exercise, I like to play football, exercise my legs, you know? You don't have any football field around here.
Hello, Bridget. As I said, my name is Taj, by the way.
My name is, you can call me Brocky, right? Everyone else.
Okay, Brocky. As I said, this is a residential area. No noise and those things, man. It's a really peaceful area, man. This section right here, very peaceful. I'm telling you, quiet as a lamb. Like, they don't tolerate certain things around the excitement and those stuff.
You can see the car, see all the Wi-Fi and all of these.
No, man.
Wi-Fi is good here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that, you know, just stick to my phone then. No more soccer, just have to watch it on my television.
As I can tell you, a good area, but guess what? No excitement. The excitement thing, not really around here, these parts.
Oh.
Yeah, it's subtle and very subtle.
Not like the place where I come from.
By the way, what kind of work you do?
You know, so I'm a construction work I do, you know, for my living.
I like the sound of that, man. We're gonna have to talk.
Yeah, we can talk.
Yeah, man, we have to get acquainted, man.
I'm around here. This is my gate number here. You can catch it and we can talk further on, right?
Hey, I'm a 4, you know.
You're for it?
Yeah.
Like the same job like mine then?
I'm the man who runs the job what you do. You understand? So that's why I'm telling you we got to talk, man.
Yes, man. We got to shake on that, right?
Yeah,
man.
man.
Shake on. We got to shake on.
Real mates, man. Never know, say, me see say I most of them, but boy, I go like an animal, so I go like an animal.
I'm hard working, man. Like I tell them, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna have to reason, man, and get acquainted, man. Hey, no worries, man. As a 4 man, I live at the 4th house down the road. Just come check me by 7 o'clock. Understand?
Okay.
We can get acquainted, man. Yeah, man.
Okay, I'll be there sharp, sir.
Yeah, man. No joke, man.
Yeah, man, you like to get jokes. All right, I will be there, okay? Yes, man, move on.
Easy yourself, man.
Wow, I see it. I'm reaching. We get out. I forgot the good thing, man. Fourth man at the house starts. There's anything. 7 o'clock inside. Moving around. I'm linking, man. 7 o'clock inside. Alright. So, man, get out. God be good to me.
Oh, Father God. You're really good, you know. Look how me and Sam want our next work, man, for you to start fixing some bucket. You're really, really good, man. No, Mr. White didn't say if you just pray and just work and just flow like the wind. Really, really true. Father God. God is good. God is great. God is good. Yo, cuz! What go on, cuz? What go on?
Yeah.
So you go bring my for other person now?
Yeah, man, so me have to give man a one
joke, man. You know, say anytime, man, anytime, brother.
So I'm going to leave a link you up and see what I'm going to face. You know?
For real, for real.
Yeah, I'm the father, but still, different is with the father. Most of the thing you can link up on because right now mom's out here with baby and right now my father being desperate now right now and I tell you say, it's like,
Oh, me there.
well, I'm fine, I don't even know. Because right now, when I see that situation, I reach me and say,
Yo,
right now,
I talk too long.
right
Yo.
now, all the man can call from right now, I know it's you right now, no man, there is nobody, there is father.
Yo. You mess with that. Much you have?
And my father right now, it even matter right now, you know, much right now, you know.
It's a party, man. Just hold on for it, that's my father, eh?
Alright, my father. Yeah. And I come like say, God said I'm going to link it and I'll sleep it true.
Hello, listen to me. Leave me family, yeah? Me say leave me family. Me say just leave me family. When much I prove? Why? I tell you.
Yo, cuz.
Yes, cuz.
I have to talk to you, man. It's a 10 pack, this make it do something, you know, make it work some magic. I have to talk to you, like, friend say it's a new family that I chop on, the family, it's a new seed that, you know, man, I want to hear, man. Oh, God, man.
Yeah, they think man, wait for treating father, man, what do you, man?
Oh, man, so man's really said.
Mom's just so calm and see how bills, yeah, get the money from here and thing, you see me?
Yo, no worry, man. When I said that most can deal,
This must can
happy
push
for young youth. Actually, young youth, but him a group. Man. Let's see, come off my girl in chuck. Very easy. Come off my girl in chuck.
Yo, father, you know, say, man, serious, you see me?
Alright, this is how I get on the movements.
Yeah, man, I did time.
Yeah.
Respect, man.
What's that?
See, I'll go move.
Yeah, man. But easy as that. You need to get up the youths there. Don't lie. Nah, I'm not something. Lord God. Baby, my food smells so sweet, yeah.
Yeah, go like in the alley, nice girls.
And it always tastes nice too.
Okay.
Lord God. Pot stew?
Mama did come to you.
That was good, man. Alright. Alright. Just come to me and come. Tell me, say, I get a new one in our family. Good still.
So, D, which uni better to tell you earlier?
Oh, yeah, man. A new neighbor. We have a new neighbor. Yes, we have a new neighbor. And guess what? He's a construction worker. We could have me say we want a construction worker, a new man on the scene. And honey, me I tell you, say the man look bigger than me. Me I tell you, muscular, stronger than me. Like he can take on whole heap of work. Me need that the bridge in the pan for me team. Me I tell you.
7.
Yeah, about 7 I come.
Or if you just meet someone and bring him in the house like that. You don't know if he's a criminal or what.
Oh, me man, the man is not no criminal. The man is moving the next right down there, so.
So it's a construction worker.
Construction worker, I want.
When I have someone can call. Get my phone.
B, you know easy, you know. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm so exhausted right now. Alright.
What a bombshell. Out there. Wow. Long time not come up with two. How there?
How there? Skin.
What about cuz? Oh yeah, say cuz.
They remember that I kept my phone on.
We had that.
You work man, the construction work.
Oh, the construction work. So we joke.
So you say you can't manage it? Look at your shoes. How can't adjust so?
Coach, you can't buy the work, man. We talk about the
More
work.
you do it, more you do
Now work with that.
it. Yes, more you do it.
No. Yeah, people.
Yeah, me have help you. You don't have money so much. Alright, maybe.
2,500.
No, two.
2,500.
Two me again. Two. You don't have money to
3,000. Me no work for business. 3,000.
Yeah, have to do it. Just do it now.
3,000.
You don't want nobody so you want to get it.
3,000.
2,500.
3,000. Bombshell.
Alright, no joke.
3,000.
No joke.
You talk where yourself for do.
Yeah, I'm going to work, man. You can't do it tomorrow. Because night, you know, so tomorrow you do it.
I'll work now.
Yeah, because night, you know.
Because I have to go call me here. I call me here.
So you went up, so?
Yeah, they call me here. She tell me say emergency. Yeah, I mean I get a piece of money to go and something nice.
Yeah, we don't get the money, man.
True. What a bombshell.
Yeah. So, what me come tomorrow, you know?
My father, so me can't cut now.
No, no go away. No, me will talk to him for you. Me will talk to you and make you get it tomorrow. No go away. No talk to you. No go down and talk to him.
So cause me attack him tonight so we choke.
Yes.
Oh. We can't deal with cause man. Remember say cause listen to me cause you hear me I say cause. You know, for worse of it, we can't deal with it quick and fast, quick. Because just remember, say, I have to just line up the 3,000. If I have the 3,000 stuff, quick and fast, me deal with it. Because then I have to worry yourself, man. Construction work, me can't deal with them things because me know if you lift pocket, rolling past cement and them something because they say, me a throw black over up. Yo, cause you see more time me a throw black, yeah, the man them up there so, up by park there so, and I try to give them stuff through cause stuff through, they can't manage because me a move fast cause me can't deal with it cause man, so you have the 3,000. Deal with it, right? I'm gonna go with my back empty now cause stuff through. What a bombshell.
Scared, sure, so you can't do it.
Cause you need to relax yourself, man. Relax no cause me never feel it cause me can't deal with this cause me I tell you, no problem for me cause I know if I deal with everything, any situation I can deal with. Me never feel it cause I always have the right things of it true. And you know when I have to worry. Remember good enough cause I 3,000 I give me so I can't feel it cause I have to do the right thing. I mean, I deal with fear cause quick and fast. I can't believe. Like a lightning flash of a choke. Quick and fast.
Alright, go on then.
Chat, oh, what a bombshell.
Don't have to work on it.
Cause I want this one myself.
Sit down, man.
Yeah, nice, good. so the joke. Bad one. I'm Musa. Hey, you're my youth. What a bombshell. Hey, touch the place. Nice, yeah? Nice. Nice of the joke. Hey, skip. Oh, bombshell. My name remember some of the joke, man. My name remember, man. Fix up your face, man. Yeah, man. So, bombshell. My name some of the joke.
So where look? Where look?
My name, man.
Yeah, man.
My name some of the joke, man.
See it there, man. See so emotional night now. Where you going?
There, man. For your work. It's of the joke, man. Watch you know, we can't deal the work, man. We can't deal the work. Cause watch you see, side up, me used to work on stuff for Chocho. I'm
yes,
like boss.
You are the boss.
Yeah, boss, man.
You mean you tell me say you are the boss, but the side
Yeah, man.
you use the work on. So that means you don't go construction work.
Then I mean, did I fourth man pan it stuff for Chocho, man. Yeah, I mean, deal with it, man. Yeah, fourth man stuff for Chocho, man.
So tell me something. You know go construction work. Me get this straight. And you are the boss.
Yeah.
You want that work from me now?
So for Chocho. Hey, remember say we are family, man. Remember say bet your cousin. And you bet it.
Yeah, I understand that, but
Bombshell.
you mean you want to know this?
Every night, that's true. Yeah.
Listen, hello. Listen.
Yeah, man, yes, I'm the cho.
3 bedroom house. And a kitchen.
Yeah.
Dining hall. Much black. Not even much black. How you plan to get that done?
Oh, me I build house.
Question me ask.
Oh, no, man.
First thing,
you have to talk to the people and for the place. I want to talk to the people and for the place. So if you throw the tape measure and you measure a place and see how much black. Because you know how much black and you measure it from right this or to right this or so if you throw.
I want to see. Okay. So skinny.
Bombshell. So for sure.
Yeah. But you didn't tell me, say, you didn't look work. You didn't want work. But we don't know if you can do construction work.
Touch. Stop worrying yourself, no man. We can't deal with it, man. Any construction work, we can't deal with. We can't carry enough black on them thing there. You know, like, whole heap of black. Say I borrow, when you push borrow, you know, jokes of it, cho. You can't ask Steins. You know Steins, man. Ask Steins, man. When I work on Steins house, you know, so cho. Yeah.
You work on Stein's house?
Yeah. I work on Steins house. I know much black money for. Bully per thousand and hundreds of black man. Bully. So for cho. 3,000, 35,000 black. 13 black. 32 black. Bully per black man.
So seeing as you work by all these different types of houses, you more of the ask you now.
Yeah.
If you build a house, it consists of 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a kitchen. All rooms 4x4. What is the estimate amount of blocks do you think you would need to construct that house?
Yo, Dash, listen of a joke. Listen of a joke. It's with business. As a businessman, it's of a cho. See? It's when you're doing business, you don't estimate. Ramp with the business, bossy man. You know, ramp with the business. When you get the work, you go to the client and find out what you want and where you want. What they want is what's important. So when you don't know, you get the measurement and you get the amount of black where you need. And once you get the amount of black there when you need, so if you ready for work and lift buckets, so if you cho. You don't ramp with people business and talk about estimate. No. You have to know the amount of black and lay them so for cho. Mix it smith. Where's say, estimate, you mash up your business. What a bombshell. You mash up your business. You can't estimate with the business. You have to show where you want and show that way you do. But see, you can't have the business, so man. You have to know.
You me I say, you go on like you're too damn skilled. You me I say. You see, you know, say I go do the measurement, but me ask you the question, the answer still there remains 4 by 4. What is the amount of blocks you think you would need, boss man?
Same amount. The same amount, the right amount. You see, once you get the right amount and the same amount, and you're ready for work. And build the house. 3 bedroom, no problem. You can build 3 bedroom in a 1 day of a choo-choo. Quick and fast. You know, so much. You lift up the black then of a choo and mix up the cement. And just the exact measurement, the same measurements of a choo. But it's like you don't know boy up, man. You don't know boy up. What a bombshell. Can't believe say you don't know boy it work. You should have known the measurement, you know. You should have known the measurements of a choo.
Listen, I go for one something. Wait,
What I can't believe the backside. Hey, 3 bedroom, 4 measurement. Oh, 4.
Skinny.
Well, I feel me this.
One thing, this one I say, one thing more demonstrate.
Hey, touch, I know them want some paint of it, Joe. Me also you want paint of it, Joe. Yo, respect the Jedi, but it's on the Joe.
You just a talk and I can't use it. You see what I say, man? One thing more, you know, see how we have paint by now. You know, one thing more demonstrate to me and show me how you would have lift up this bucket of paint.
Oh, you want me demonstrate and show you how to lift up this bucket of paint. That's simple thing, man. That's simple thing, man. You wait. Bucket can't wait, man. When I go to lift up it, I'll try to.
No, man. You know, I apply for a job with that.
A test. Simple thing. What a bombshell. Betty, if you see this, easy, simple 1, 2, 3. Let's have a lift up the bucket. It's simple thing, man. What a bombshell. You can't believe. I didn't see potential anyway. Simple thing, man. We can't live up people, it's so much short.
Oh, man, oh, my check. First thing is,
we can't live up it, man.
You see what I say? First thing is you go rap. You see, you stand up straight barefoot, you need to bend. Watch what runs. Look. Look at it. You want to do construction work and you don't even know if you can one. You know about the matter everywhere.
We can't live up this of the church, man. Simple thing. Simple thing. So
look at this. A bucket of water.
Yeah.
You require you to go down like this. Your knees and your ligament are like hydraulic shocks.
Yeah.
You need to elevate yourself. Understand?
Yeah.
You see that?
Marshall.
You see that?
Marshall, we can't do it, man. We need. Your knees ligament. Ligament. Tournament. It's like a tournament.
What do you want?
Well, we can't do something true, man. Tap for yourself, no, man. Hey, me a person doing no car. Remember, say, you're Betty, man, so.
You know,
we can't live up it, man.
You want to say that about that? What are you doing? You can't wait to get boy.
Can't wait to get that. You know, get me paid there. Come like a puppy show.
Hey, thank you. But I think you want Cheetos. Cheetos.
I'm hungry. I don't go like this. I'm so much feel like this.
Cheetos, man. Yeah. No food not on there. So
in the kitchen.
Bombshell.
Skinny. Taj, you're skinny.
Oh, hey, honey, I let you loose in the kitchen.
Why you let him in the kitchen?
When you make Skinny come here. Come here and go think about work. Skinny can't work. Skinny can't walk.
Not the bombshell. Good. Yeah, man. So we cho. Right, that bombshell. Good, we get the work here. We get to work. Don't touch. We get to work, man.
Why you so come here to go in the
Cause we
kitchen?
get to work.
Eh?
We get to work.
Come, go on now. Go on, come on, go on.
What a bombshell.
Very job, family.
What a bombshell.
We get the kitchen.
We get the house of the cho. Watch. Shh. Don't get too loud, make that here. 3,000.
Sure.
Cause, you the thing, man, 3,000 man, so for cho. Cause, tomorrow, me I go work, so for cho.
You sure?
Cause, me get the work, man, tomorrow, me I. Cause, just give me money, no, man, so for cho, man. Give me money, man. Cause, give me money, no, me taste, and me get the work, so for cho. Tomorrow, me I come work for cho, cause, man. No jokes. Cho,
I work, sir.
Cho, man.
Alright, come, go on.
Well, I know, cause me check money, man.
Come on, go on.
Bad shit.
Yes. Skinny, get your
Betty, you're mad. I don't think it's skinny work, Betty. I'm busy in Russia.
I think you're working as a hard-working person.
Betty, I don't think it's skinny work. Can't be skinny journey. This is an issue. First thing is skin in your conscious when
That's why I always behave in your work.
Skin can't even lift up and bucket.
That's why I always go and just jokify.
Skin in no measurement. They ask so much bill, much black. He wants to build a 3-bedroom house, 1 kitchen, 1 bathroom, 1 dining hall, skinny car. Skinny car is tell me nothing. Not even one, you not even can tell me for 600, not even one estimate for them. And you want to tell me say skinny can't do work. Betty. Do better than that.
But I don't know, you just me tell us you're saying behaving can do it.
Sensible people. Not my business.
But you can do it.
Okay?
Just make him work now, please. Why?
I'm not going to show my business. Let's keep pressure about skinny. How would that? I'm going to tell us something. See what I know.
Yo.
I knew Bridget.
Yo, forward.
Yeah, man. No joke, man. Found an establishment right here. Welcome to my humble home.
Come on.
As you can see, lovely wife. Yeah, man. I'm bridging this metal, say. Take a seat, bro.
Come on, come to top.
Yeah, man. I'm bridging this metal, say, and the constructor.
So why you don't make Skinny do it?
This man,
You know him?
I just meet the bridging down the road. I would have give the man a chance to try. Prove himself to me now, say, yo, you can do the job, you understand?
Just make Skinny do it, please.
Why you doing for skin so for me to do it? Can you see me have a bridging or something? Why you being like this and see bridging or something?
It's okay.
Yeah, bro, G. So as me I say, what going on?
Yes, man, like what you know, she's so excited, man.
It is right, man.
I love the community also, say, you know?
It's a peaceful community as I tell you already, man.
Yes, man, but
So, you drink?
yes, man, I drink, man.
What are we waiting for? Hey, Betty, honey. Can you get the 2 jar in the fridge? Yeah, broke it. Yeah, man, you have a whole lot of drink and reason so more. More for know if the bridging that really can't manage, right?
Yes, man, you can manage, man. Like I said,
This is the thing. You have a whole lot of reason. So, Rocky,
yes,
what kind of experience have you in the construction field? You ever work with none of them business like CBK and PBC?
Yeah, no, not really, but I used to work with some different companies, COD and SOR.
Oh,
Those
I
companies.
cool bridge in the morning company then.
Yeah, man, I used to work with them. So I have a lot of experience, so I have my certificate where I'm very qualified.
Oh, hard is hard.
That's when I used to go out. Get my certificate.
Good man.
Good from there and get my qualification.
Right now it's just really a hunt. A bridging if you can line up a work and you know say the people them can get them work good because sometimes when you get some of them when I want to do some work bridging, I tell them it come like a headache. PP clock or something have to do and do work I have to look out on the eye and see if everything I go straight.
I know that part of field, but like you say, I'm very qualified, I'm a certificate and everything. So, if I did have a certificate, I would be qualified.
Yeah, so, as me I tell you, Berkey, you seem like you're steady and you have qualification. You have the qualification and thing for the job. Real meds man, it seem like you know your thing. And that's that I really want, you see me? I give you a chance in the field.
That was very nice and very.
Thank you, baby.
What do you feel here, man?
Yeah, man, I give you a chance in the field, man. Really, I give you a chance in the field because from when I search and I hunt, but a beer bagaboo, I tell you, man, beer bagaboo.
Drink that, man. But kids here have no fear.
Yeah, easy, man. I mean, I come like a meeting and the whole of them joking to myself, but you have to joke them too, man.
I tell them earlier. I said, thank you. And give me time schedule and tell you that they're going to be here. I'm here. Yeah.
Cheers to that, man.
Cheers to that. So, you can call it a wrap.
Yeah, man, I think that is it. Because yeah, man, that is it.
Okay. So, see you around.
Yeah, man.
Okay?
Respect, guy.
Okay, alright. Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, alright.
Wait, hold on. Babes. You want the business, guy?
Hold on, Rocky, hold on.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, she give on a business guy. Number. Remember, I didn't give the number.
Okay, that's nice. No, this should be us. This should be us.
Why you come here? Why?
Maybe you see that there's no two community. Like I said, we're neighbors. It's just business, it's just work. You're gonna push me away like this.
Yes.
Why?
God, it's over.
From being this from our child and kids and grow up.
Finish.
I'm not gonna stop. Can't stop. I can't stop loving you. I'm losing her. What is this gonna happen?
Hi everyone. Most of you all might or should know me by now, know my actual name, my given name, which is Kevin Herman, and my actor name Skinny. Yeah, I know you guys like the whole comedy thing, and yeah, that's me. I like to make people laugh, I like to make people happy. So if y'all been asking why I chose that character mainly, it's because most people sometimes afraid to play a character because they might think it would have a bad impact on them, But for me, it's just acting, It's just acting out and character that, you know, someone else is in real life, you know, or it's just storytelling. So that's the reason why I chose that character. Well, I didn't explain the reason why. Sorry. So the reason why I chose that character is that most people, like for example, you ask them to play a stupid role, they'll be like, oh no, people gonna see me in the street and laugh and all of that. You know, it's show, it's movie. You know, dead scene also. People would say, oh, why you wanna play dead scene and you're afraid of dead? And nah, man. I'm actually happy and sad sometimes, you know, because I love doing movies, right? I love creating stuff, whether it's painting, drawing, sculpting, jewelry making, textile, whatever it is of the art. I like doing it, you know, and I chose movie making from a very long time back. Maybe in 2010, 11, you know, I chose to go, you know, with filmmaking, and it has been a really rough and difficult part for me. You know, it's been long years, you know, and they always say when you have a good heart and you genuinely want to do stuff, it always becomes difficult because people out there try to abuse these type of peoples, you know, when you really want to be established in some areas, you know, and it's really difficult. So I want to say to you guys that I really appreciate you supporting, watching the movies and stuff, commenting, liking, sharing, you know, leaving your honest opinions about the movies and stuff. It helps us with a good or bad. It helps us to understand what you guys want to see, you know. And most of the time, you want to see something and it's really difficult for us to get it done, you know. That's the reason why most of the time I do the movies them from my head. Like I will just come up with the ideas and then just do them. And even on spot, at most of the movie them sometime I came up with the ideas on spot, you know. And it's really difficult to write a script. When you write a script and then you have that, and then to get it done, you have to compromise maybe, say 30, sometime maybe half a percentage. Yeah, so maybe half I have to compromise to get it done, to get something done to give to you guys. It's unfair not to give you the right, you know, script or let's say the full story. How I wanted to do it, so you guys can enjoy it. Most of it sometimes compromise, you know. I feel bad sometimes, but then again, they always say you have to use what you have. It's always difficult, you know, financially paying the actors and stuff. Like I really want people to earn from movie making, you know, where it become a lucrative job for them, but it's really difficult and it's hard for me sometimes getting them to understand that, you know, it can become a lucrative job, but you have to allow me to put it where you're going to get good pay, you know. I only get paid from YouTube, and whenever I get paid out, it's not that good, you know, to put an actual smile on somebody's face. You know, when I just started out, even in recent, like I have to pay people from my pocket. You know, I have to pay. It's something that I really love, guys, and it really costing me. And sometimes I wouldn't say break me, but sometimes I feel like I'm breaking apart. You know, like I would walk away from making movie, but when you love something, you know, it's really hard for you to walk away from it, you know. And I would really love for you guys to, you know, power up the support. You know, I started a GoFundMe because, guys, I have a project I want to work on in the summer. Like, I want to do a good movie instead of made movie that, you know, that regular and quality, the sound no good, you know, the acting bad, the lighting, you know. I want to do something good this summer. I want you guys to give me the opportunity and give me and, you know, the people and their own way we're willing to support me, you know. The actors, Taj, you know, Bamas I do this sound now, so I like Chia, you know, so I have Bamas we do this sound, so I learn how to put instrument, cinematic sound effects, you see them sound they hear in their background. That's Bamas, and you know, everybody used to Touch by now, you know. And this is what I always want to do. I always want to bring up good in people, you know, and to see Touch becoming a good actor and Bamas learning the sound effects and all of that, you know, it's overwhelming, you know. And I would really appreciate you guys. Like I said, I started GoFundMe, so I'll put the link in the description. You know, the link in the description, because that GoFundMe is for the project in summer. Really want to get some gears up, guys, and the balance would use it to fund to pay the actors. And I'm willing to even prove to you guys, to show you what exactly I'll do with that money. When you got the GoFundMe, guys, put something there, $5, $10, any amount, because we have 38 plus subscribers, you know, and that $5, at least $5 times 35, we have the asking figure, you know. So guys, sometimes I don't even know what to talk, say, you know, but I'm pretty much sure you guys understand me, you know. I don't have to cry, I don't have to be, you know, and, you know, you guys really see where the amount of work putting for you guys able to watch movie, and I really want to put it at the Hollywood type where the sound is not a problem and the acting skills, like, guys are really have the concept. Like, if I could just tell you the concept and nobody can take the ideas, like, I would just tell you guys like a whole lot of ideas, even the one in summer, guys, please don't let me have to compromise, because I'm really excited in getting it done, and, you know, Touch excited to, because I'm going to night, you know, Bamas already start create the soundtrack, them, you know, and all like close people them when we tell about the movies, like, them really, you know, find it fascinating, you know. It's just, you know, I started to raise funds, you know, otherwise I'm the GoFundMe to put it together. People that want that have space that I need to get this movie done. They're okay, they're like, okay, no problem, like, they love the ideas, you know, they love the concept. And guys, I would really love for you guys to help us to achieve this movie. You know, I tried it with love and time, but I couldn't able to pay everyone. And honestly, like, I couldn't able to pay them what would make them, you know, comfortable and excited to do the movie. And it's always an issue for me, you know, getting people to act in the movie that actually understand and appreciate the doing movies. You know, it's always some glitch, like, they're not focused. They say, oh, I love movie, I want to be an actor, I want to be an actress, and they're on set, they're on their phone, they're confused, they're not focused. You know, it's always difficult, but I really appreciate them too, because they teach me how to see more, and the more I can see is the more my creative skills develop in filmmaking, because it gives me an idea, you know. It put the puzzle, the pieces together, so I can be able to bring forth, you know, some new movies to you guys. So I'm not sure if I've said enough, but maybe I'll come back again. I'll come back and live and everything, and I want you guys to know that I really appreciate the support. I really much appreciate the support. And remember, guys, to click the link in the description. That's the GoFundMe, and there's also gonna be the Cash App, and you can email me. The email will be there if you want to sponsor, you want to support the filming in summer, because guys, summer we want to get it done. So the target is summer. So let's do this the summer, and everything will be in the description. So guys, just go over to the GoFundMe and support us to be greater. Okay guys, we're gonna get some gears, we're gonna pay some actors. I even also start learning a new software to create CGI, like location. So whatever location I don't have, I'll get it. But I also need a good camera to connect to the computer so I can do virtual reality, like creating the scenes on green screen, putting the actors in the actual set. All of them allow type movie where you see with some type of location and scene will look difficult and complicated to get with a regular camera. Yes guys, actually created by what do I call it now? By CGI creators, you know, editors. So they actually create the scenes. So it's just a green screen and all of that. So I'm actually learning that software at the moment. You know, on my Instagram, you can see I did a few clips of creating a few scenes. Guys, it was awesome. I'm going to put the link in the description also. So go over my Instagram and you can see the clippings that I create from the software. So guys, there's a whole lot to say, you know, but I'll be here forever until. So keep supporting us guys, as y'all know your boy Skinny. What a bombshell, Sophie Cho, original. So bless up, you know, hope y'all doing well. Have a great life, be happy, be grateful, life is good. We all have gift, that only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Thank you. Stick, babes. Smell it. It's stick, man. It's smelling up.
No! Get away from me, Billy. Go in the bathroom and get yourself together. I'm tired of this. Your 1 minute can't satisfy me.
You don't feel like say. You just need proper, man. Take care of your pay the bills and get things right.
You know, lad, come. I have money in your pocket, Joe. I am not even say you want to business for that.
That's smell like Billy pass through. Me smell rum and mildew. Too much.
She said,
Too much.
Joe, come on,